Today on the Healthy Skillet, we're making the richest, silkiest caramel sauce you've ever tasted. And yes, it's low carb. The secret? Browning the butter for that deep, nutty flavor and using allulose, the only alternative sweetener that gives you a true, smooth caramel without crystallizing. If you've struggled with grainy keto caramel before, this is the fix. Stick with us because in just a few minutes, you'll have a perfect pour over sauce that tastes like a cheat but isn't. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. And that's your brown butter caramel sauce. Silky, low carb, and honestly good on everything. Drizzle it over chaffles, pancakes, fresh fruit, or swirl it into your morning coffee. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us here on the Healthy Skillet for more real food, low carb recipes. And before you go, check out our 2-ingredient soft tortilla video. It's a game changer and pairs perfectly with so many of our recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.